The Plyee Audio 250-watt outdoor Bluetooth speakers offer an impressive wireless multi-speaker sync capability, allowing for a seamless connection of over 100 speakers, perfect for creating a comprehensive outdoor sound system. With its powerful audio output, each speaker provides up to 25 watts RMS and 250 watts peak power, delivering clear sound with deep bass that enhances any outdoor entertainment experience. These speakers are designed for convenience with a compact wall-mountable build and come with a remote control and complete mounting kit, making installation on patios, porches, or garages a breeze. The IPX5 waterproof rating ensures the speakers are durable enough to withstand splashes and harsh weather conditions, making them ideal for all-weather use. Built to last, these speakers feature a robust metal mesh grille that adds to their durability while maintaining an elegant appearance. Plyee Audio supports its product with a 1-year warranty and provides friendly customer support, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase.